I'm replacing my condenser motor with a Mars 10465. Existing motor has 3 wire, black, yellow, and 1 brown from capacitor. New motor has brown/white, red, black, and white.
Hi, I'm Brian and I'm here to help. You will wire your new motor this way: the new black to where the old black was, the new white to where the old yellow was, the new brown to where the old brown was. Insulate the ends separately of both the brown wire with white strip and the red wire. The red wire is low speed, and since your old motor was single speed, you don't use the red wire. The brown/white wire is electrically the same as the white wire and is only used in 4-wire hookup applications: dedicated capacitor for the fan motor, 1 wire to each cap terminal and no other wires connected to cap. Let me know if you have further questions on this subject. Otherwise, please remember to rate before leaving, 3 stars or higher please. Bonuses are always appreciated. Thanks for allowing me to help, and thanks for using JustAnswer. Thank you, Brian.
The old motor ran at 875 revolutions per minute. The new one, I believe, will run at 1075 revolutions per minute. Will that be an issue?
What is the low speed rating of the motor in RPM?
New one only says 1075, but it also says high and low speed 1/6 of a horsepower to 1/3 of a horsepower. Will the capacitor set the speed?
Never mind, I just looked it up. That motor won't work right in a unit with a blade meant to spin at 875. I hate to be the bearer of bad news. The motor you need is a Mars 10459, which is a single speed up to 1/3 of a horsepower at 875 revolutions per minute. No, the windings in the motor set the speed. A 1075 motor has 6 pole windings, while an 875 revolutions per minute motor has 8 poles. Using the motor you have, you will spin the blade beyond its rating and risk damage to it, and you will overamp the new motor you have. Unfortunately, the two are not compatible.
Okay, thanks. Order correct one.
Thanks for the great rating. I'm sorry it didn't work out better. The 10459 motor will wire the same way I wrote above, with the exception that it won't have a red wire to cap off. Thanks and have a great night, Brian.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.